Well, thank you everyone for watching. My name is Ashley Strevel. I am the Director of Communications and Public Affairs for the City of Victoria, and I'm here today with our guest, Ken Gill. He's
Hello.
our City Engineer with the City of Victoria, and today he's going to talk to us a little bit about the city's preventative maintenance program for the streets. Ken, can you tell us a little bit about your overall preventative maintenance program?
What we're trying to do on City of Victoria's preventative maintenance is extend the life of the streets to the 30-year design life. In the beginning, we started that by changing the actual construction of the roads, improving the base material to a limestone, thickness of the limestone we improved, and the surface quality of the street.
So to get to that 30-year lifespan for streets, what are some of the initiatives that the city needs to do in the future to get to that point?
Okay, that's a good question. As with any city, including ours, of course, we try to do maintenance. One of them, the big one, is crack seal. Every 2 years, you want to crack seal the streets. And that's simply something as simple as you see on the road. When you're driving down, you'll see the black lines, kind of all different sizes and shapes going everywhere. That's sealing the road. It's to keep that water from getting into the base. The next one is a seal coat. We've done those in the past, and as people simply put it, it's an asphalt, liquid asphalt, and then you put rock on it. And that seals the road, gives that asphalt a little bit more flexibility. And then in about 15 years, you want to do a hot mix, mill it, overlay it, redo the entire surface. And you do that every 2 years for the chip seal, for the crack seal, 7 years for the chip seal, mill overlay, then every 2 years, crack seal, chip seal, and that gets you to your 30-year lifespan.
So I noticed you mentioned you have some long-term goals for the program. Can you talk to us a little bit more about that?
The long-term goal, of course, is to get that 30 to 50-year lifespan.
Sure.
One of the initiatives we did last year was, as I mentioned, we would chip seal the road. And that's a big project for the city. We changed it up a little bit to improve that issue that a lot of citizens have, where the rocks come loose.
Sure.
And it fades out real quick. So we looked at other products across the state and found a product where you can still seal the road with asphalt and then a rock layer, aggregate layer. But then on top of that, there's a product that we used, onyx. And it locks that rock in. It provides a real carbon black appearance, and it just improves the ride quality. And that can be seen up in Northcrest.
Well, thank you for that explanation, Ken. But now I have a question as it relates to what material you use to produce these streets. So why doesn't the city use concrete?
We do currently use concrete, and we're really focusing that portion of our construction on the arterials and collector streets. Reason a lot of times we don't go concrete is it's the initial cost. Over long term, however, as everybody knows, the maintenance cost of concrete is less. You won't see potholes out there. You won't see crack. You don't need a crack seal. There's just the maintenance is reduced a lot. And some of the older streets in Old Victoria, they've been here since 1930. They're concrete. They're in pretty darn good shape.
Well, thank you everyone for watching. I hope this was informative for you. Ken, is there anything else you'd like to share while we have the public watching?
I think that's got it pretty well covered. We're always working to be innovative. Our goal is always the citizens and the public do the best we can with the funds that y'all give us that's available.
Right.
And if you have any questions, we're available at the engineering division, and our phone number is 485-3340.
Great. And if you want more information in general about the City of Victoria, you can visit us at our website, cityofvictoriatx.org. Thank you again for watching. Thank you, Ken, again for your time. Thanks for stepping away from your busy schedule. And we hope you guys tune in sometime soon. Thanks again. Have a good rest of your day.